Alright guys, so these are the ingredients we're going to be using. So here we have 12 ounces of extra large shrimp, which is about 3/4 of a pound. 1 cup of freshly squeezed key lime juice, and these are how the key limes look. 1 Roma tomato, half a cucumber, 1 serrano pepper, 1/4 of an onion, a half bunch of cilantro, 1 avocado, and salt for taste. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to juice our limes. We're going to need 1 cup of lime juice. So let's go ahead and cut up all our limes. Okay, so now that we have our key lime juice, we're going to move on to our shrimp. This is peel and deveined shrimp. I already like to buy mine already like this, so it makes it easier. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove the tails. And all you do is just squeeze them and pull them out. I have my shrimp here already washed and rinsed. So what we're going to do here is we're going to be cutting up our shrimp into little 1-inch size pieces. So now you want to go ahead and grab a container. I'm going to use this container. You want to make sure it has a lid. So I went ahead and added my shrimp in here. We're going to grab that lime juice. And we're going to pour it in there. So now we're going to cover this, and we're going to stick this into the refrigerator. So meanwhile that our shrimp is in the fridge, we're going to go ahead and cut up all our vegetables. You want to deseed the tomato. Right, so now let's cut up our cucumber. I'm going to go ahead and peel it. So what we're going to do is you want to take out the seeds of the cucumber. See? Just like that. Alright, so now we're going to cut our serrano pepper. For this, I will be taking out the seeds. Do you want to remove the stem? So on your serrano pepper, you want to make sure you finely dice it. So I like to go over it one more time. Alright, so now let's cut our onion. Okay, so now we're going to cut our cilantro. So now let's go ahead and chop it up. So here it is. Here's all my cut up veggies, my cucumber, tomato, onion, everything. So here's my shrimp. And what happens in the lime juice is that it cooks the shrimp. See how it starts to cook. It's the acid and the lime. So now we're going to add all this in here. Into our shrimp. So let's go ahead and add some salt. Now after you do that, you're going to go ahead and put the lid back on it. And you're going to stick it back into the refrigerator and you're going to let it chill overnight. Alright guys, so it's now the following day. This is how it looks. So you see the shrimp, how it cooked, and the acid of the lime. See how they look pink? So now I'm going to show you how I like to eat it and how I put it together. Alright guys, so here it is put together. So all I did was grab a tostada, whichever ones you like. These are store-bought. I layered it with avocado. And then I topped it with the ceviche, and I put some of my favorite hot sauce on top, which is Cholula. And I hope you guys give this a try. And I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys.